Virginia to Chesapeake Bay from north to central.
Some recent heavy rain. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Heavy rain has moved east of the warning area.
Virginia until 8:30 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Podler Island to near Whitman River, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicates impact. Voters could easily be thrown overboard by Voters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Hooper Island Light, Piney Point, Deep Hole, mouth of the Potomac River, Solomon's Island, Southwest Middle Grounds, Coupled Creek, Point Lookout, Tall Timbers, Drum Point, Honga River, Fishing Bay, St. George Island, Point No Point, Dares Beach, James Island, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs and Bivalve.
Northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, southeastern Calvert County in southern Maryland, south central Charles County in southern Maryland until 8 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Leonardtown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may be...
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern counties in southern Maryland, southeastern Calvert County in southern Maryland,
include Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Leonardtown, Couple Creek, Calvert Cliffs, Greenwell State Park, St. Leonard Creek, Down Creek, Flag Harbor, California, Lumpy, St. Leonard, Hollywood, Drum Point, Long Beach, Mechanicsville, Calvert Beach, Bushwood, Clements, Chapel, and Sandgate. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building,
as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, Montgomery.
Locations impacted include Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Leonardtown, Couple Creek, of a building, State Park, St. Leonard Creek, Down Creek, Flag Harbor, California, Lumpy, St. Leonard, Hollywood, Drum Point, Long Beach, Mechanicsville, Calvert Beach, Bushwood, Clements, Chapel, and Sandgate. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Central and Russell County in central Maryland, northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, Calvert County in southern Maryland, southeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, eastern Charles County in southern Maryland until 7:45 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Chesapeake Beach to near Hallam Point, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
The National Weather
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, or damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Beach, Prince Frederick, Howland, California, Breezy Point, Sheridan Point, Golden Beach, Dunkirk, St. Leonard,
Huntingtown, Hughesville, Goings, Baden, Mechanicsville, Charlotte Hall, Costco, Calvert Beach, Benedict, Eagle Harbor, Lower Marlboro, and Barstow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damage and winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's major killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are most likely struck by lightning.
The Costco, Calvert Beach, Benedict, Eagle Harbor, Lower Marlboro, and Barstow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damage and winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%.
Heat index values of 105.
Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Then partly cloudy after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds until midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday, mostly sunny. Until 7:45 p.m. Then showers with 7:10 p.m. Severe thunderstorms will reach highs around 90. Extending from northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour. With a chance of thunderstorms. Source radar showers until midnight. Then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s.
Attention. Important information for all Medicare recipients. You may be eligible.
80%. Sunday, mostly power outages are possible. Highs around 80. Unsecured light objects. Through Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Beach, Prince Frederick, Charlotte Point, Freedom Point, Sheridan Park, Golden Beach, Dunkirk, Huntingtown, Hughesville, Goings, Baden, Mechanicsville, Charlotte Hall, Costco, Calvert Beach, Benedict, Eagle Harbor, Lower Marlboro, and Barstow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damage and winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. South Central Charles County in southern Maryland until 8 p.m. At 7:00. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mary's County in southern Maryland, southeastern Calvert County in southern Maryland until 8:15 p.m.
At 7:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from California to near St. George Island, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage and winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lexington Park, St. Mary's City, St. Inigo's Creek, St. Mary's River, California, Pawtucket River Naval Air Station, Drum Point, Demerara, St. Inigo's, Park Hall, and Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.